Sometimes you hear something so special, you know it can't just be a scale. There has to be something special behind it. Now, as soon as I heard it, I knew I wanted to learn to play the TopGun Anthem. Now I know it's from 1986, it's been around for a long time, Top Gun's making a resurgence, this might be just a little apropos. Now, if you listen carefully, the anthem is really just built on the first 5 notes of the major scale. There's a little resequencing, and there's a twist. This is where the writers, Faltermeyer and Stevens, did something really interesting. They start with the C major scale, and then they change keys. But why did they change from a C major scale to the F sharp major scale? What was the motivator behind that? Well, the F sharp is a blue note in the C major scale. That is to say, it's either a raised fourth or a flattened fifth. And interestingly, in the F sharp major scale, the C note serves that same role. So the blue note sets up a great pivot point between these two scales, and that's really what's happening. First we play in the C major scale, then we play in the F sharp major scale, first 5 notes of each in a really particular pattern. And it becomes pretty obvious once you see it that this pivot just keeps going and going, and it really sounds good. It never seems to end and it never seems to resolve. It just keeps going. Now this is true elegance and simplicity, and it all just revolves around the major scales.